Merry me, it's Rowan Ravenwolf with Triple Goddess Apothecary and Reiki, here to do another unboxing. If you like watching the unboxing videos to see different types of oracle decks, Lenormand decks, and tarot decks, like and subscribe to our channel. That way I'll know to do more of these. But today I'm going to be introducing the Druid Plant Oracle by Philip and Stephanie Carr-Gomm. Amazing, beautiful cards. I actually have 3 decks by them. 1 tarot deck and then 2 of their oracle decks. So without further ado, I'm going to open the box. It comes with a nice sized book. For the plants with all the information. Move the box out of the way. All right, so it has all the information. So here we go with the chamomile. It tells you what brief summary of upright and reversed, and then it goes into more information where it is found. And this is a great book with all the acknowledgments. So 144 pages. There's resources for their reading, which is really helpful. And then there's an index of the cards. Now, in addition to the lovely book, and this is giant, so you're not going to be able to see it all where I'm at, but there is a card layout for a spread. That information is in the book. So when you buy the deck new, you're going to get that card layout with it. And now let's look at these beautiful cards. They may or may not be in order. So here's the back of the card. And again, these are Druid cards. This is why we're getting the Druid symbols. So beautiful artwork on these cards. So those are all the cards, but they do give 3 blank cards. So you can draw your own cards if you would like to. So again, there's 3 blank ones. But that is a beautiful, beautiful deck. The Druid Oracle by Philip and Stephanie Carr-Gomm. Illustrated by Will Worthington. If you love this deck, I hope that this unboxing helps you make a decision if you're ready to get it and work with it. It's a beautiful deck to work with. Have a blessed day.